Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the quiet mode on Instagram to help you have a little break, take a rest, or even focused on your work. So to activate the quiet mode, you just need to open your Instagram application and make sure that you are already signed in or logged in with the account that you have. And after that, you just need to open this profile. And whenever you are in your profile, just jump into the three straight lines on the corner and go into the settings and privacy. And after that, you just need to go click this notifications, and there will be appear that the second option is the quiet mode. You just need to go click it. And to activate it, you just need to go click this button, and you can also adjusting the durations of this mode will be applied into your account. You can adjust in the start and the end time. Whenever you're already done, go back and those mode will be automatically applied into your account. So that is the way how to activate the quiet mode on your Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.